Hey dolls, so today's video is going to be a not decorate with me, undecorate with me video. I guess, you know, a refresh video, like clean with me. I don't know what to call it. Whatever you see in the title is what this video is going to be. Valentine's Day is over, so I want to return my apartment back to normal and just give it just like a plain look on, like not plain, just like normal. Until it's time for Easter, and here is how it looks like. I'm just tired of seeing that Valentine's Day tree. I'm just tired of Valentine's Day stuff, and I really want to just be back to normal again. So I'm going to be undoing everything that I done on Decorate With Me, and I'm going to return my apartment back to its normal look. So grab your coffee, grab your tea dolls, and let's do this Undecorate With Me, Clean With Me video. And yes, let's go dolls. Dolls, I don't know if you noticed, but look in the background. Look at the pillows. That's horrible. I had my Valentine's Day party over the weekend, so we had a lot of my friends just on the sofa, and it's just destroyed. Like the pillows are just messed up, so we have a lot to restore in here, so let's go. This is how my apartment looks like before the big clean, and I love it because I'm being realistic. All of this is just leftovers from my Valentine's Day party, like that over there. I have just messed up everywhere. Well, my friends did. I still have the tree over in the corner, and we're just gonna fix the couch area. We're taking this tree down and away and packing it up for Christmas next year. Taking all the decorations down. I'll probably do it off camera because I don't want to like film that process. It's just so long and boring. And then I'm going to reorganize here. I'll be taking, sadly, the candle is going away. We're not going to have this love heart candle, so I'm going to burn it all the way down because I don't want to waste it. So I'm going to be having it burning throughout this video anyway. I have replaced it already with these two candles that I got from Dollar Tree. This is just more for the look, and I love that. And I got this from Dollar Tree over here, dolls. Dolls, look at this. I mean, seriously, $1, $1.25 really. This is gorgeous. I got that from Dollar Tree. I'm going to keep the pink roses because I just love this look. So we're just going to take this away. It's so sad. So sad. And just center this. I love that I can now see the bow and then just have that like that and just center this. I think that's good. I think that's perfect. And then I love how these are like this. I'm so sad this candle is going. So here's going to be very naked for now. Well, not naked because it's got all this on here. I love that. So we're going to remove those. I'm going to fix the couch and the pillows. I am going to remove anything Valentine's Day related on this sofa. I think we're just going to fix these pillows up. That's what we're going to do. Let's see. Nothing special. I'm just going to organize this. This is just a quick video. I want to take you dolls along with me to removing my Valentine's Day stuff. I forgot how everything goes. But I'll fix these pillows. I love this still on here. I'm probably going to change this look soon. My friends love this pillow in the corner. Look. They loved this pillow, like when they came over with the Louis Vuitton. I'm going to just fix those and take those down. Those need to come down for sure. Wreath can come down. I mean, does it really scream Valentine's Day? I feel like I can still use this at a different time of the year, like all year round, but that's coming down. My coffee bar is going to be redone as well, back to normal. Oh, till next year, my love. Till next year, my love. It's gone. I love this. Look how gorgeous that looks like. So that's going. Oh my god, this would have been so gorgeous, dolls. Look, let me show you. And put this down. This would have been so gorgeous in here. Maybe next year. And then have it where I can turn, well, just have it in here like this. You see that? Like, obviously much nicer. And kind of going around. Doesn't it look gorgeous in there? Or is it, or am I just, I think it does. I think they look gorgeous in there, but yeah, till next year I'm packing these away. So all of this stuff here is going. The tree has to go. The tree will be going. Oops! Oh my god, I just feel like I broke it. The tree is going. I'm gonna just place that there. It's gone. My mirror is back. I love it. I'm gonna sweep up. This is just for video. I'm gonna sweep up after and just like, because I can see a little love heart. Can you see that, dolls? In the back. Can you see that little love heart? I can see a love heart that didn't get found. Oh my god, look at that. Back to normal. So starting to look normal. Starting to look normal. Yeah, this control goes right here. Well, I'll just put it behind the books. I love the candles. I love the layout of everything. And I'm just going to move this and put this in my storage. Here needs a big sweep up and a big mop. Yeah, we're starting to be normal again. I love my apartment refresh. And I said this video will be a short video. I'm going to organize my coffee bar really quickly. We're going to be putting that outside. The tree is gone. Oh, it's not as sad as Christmas Day. I've been so ready to just have this open space back to normal again. So I'm not as sad. But now I just need to reorganize all of this space, put the couch back together, put the little throw back together, and just make sure here is gorgeous again. Okay, dolls, so now my living room is done. I'm gonna quickly do my coffee bar because I feel like I have to show you dolls that, because that was a big part of my decoration when I did the Valentine's Day, and I just want to restore it back to normal. Nothing too much, just a little bit. Just a little bit, just taking down everything that has to do with Valentine's Day. So I'm going to restore my kitchen and coffee bar. So let's do it. This is what my kitchen looks like now. It's a bit of a mess. We got even some Christmas disposables still here. I'm just going to put it back to what it is and just be moving these, you know, remember these jars from Dollar Tree? I'm going to be taking this down. I can't wait because I love a less busy coffee bar. This is going. Oh, so sad. Till next year, I'm just going to place this back on here and push this back into the corner. I'm going to figure out something. Or maybe this sign, Cafe LB, can go in the corner. Yeah, that would look so much better in the corner. This is coming down. So over it. I'm just so over it. I feel like this cup can stay here because I actually use them, so, and they are just kisses, so I feel like this can stay here. Everything else just has to go. So these are so gorgeous. Like this I'm gonna miss. I feel like I still want to keep it in there. I love these. These were so gorgeous. This was like only $1.25 at Dollar Tree. They went viral on TikTok. At least I got them before they went viral, I can say that. This love sign has to go. And I can push this back in the corner. So much more cleaner. I love my coffee bar just looking so much more cleaner. My toaster can now, I just don't like when a coffee bar is just so cluttered. I get bored of, I get tired of looking at things cluttered, and I like to return things back to just simple. Sometimes I like a little bit of simple, and I love this. I love how my coffee bar looks right now. This I'm going to be changing in the next few weeks. I don't like these coffee things anymore. I'm ready to have a new one, and this is pink sugar, not pink sugar, but like, it's pink. You can't see it on camera, it's not focusing, but this makes your drinks, like your wine, pink. I love it. Like, I used it in Valentine's Day event and it was just They loved it. So that's going to stay like that. I love that in the corner. It's so gorgeous. And my coffee bar just rightfully so where it should be. My toaster can stay here. And then my kettle. And then I think we are done. Like, I just have to move these. They're going. I feel so sad. I didn't want to take you dolls on a long decorate with me. This is how quick I move everything. Like, I know some videos they just like drag it on, but like this is so easy to move, and I just wanted to take you with me as I'm doing it. So yeah, it's so sad. Like, something about redecorating like for a season just makes you, I have to like clean it off, just makes you so sad. Like, I don't know how to describe it. Comment down below, are you like me when you have to take things down and you just see what all the work you put into it is just down so quickly, and it takes a lot to put it up, but to put it back down, it happens in seconds. Doesn't that feel so sad? This is why it needs to be hidden. Another thing, do you dolls hate having wires like showing? I don't know, I just don't like wires showing. But my coffee bar is back. My normal coffee bar. I just need to move all of those and then we'll be done. I'm just gonna clean this down with one of these Lysol wet wipes, and I love when I clean surfaces down after I've had like so much stuff on it. It's just so satisfying. I can't describe the feeling, but it just feels satisfying just cleaning the surface down. So I'm just gonna do that because look, it's just all the glitter and all of that stuff. I just want the memory of it gone, and it's just satisfying. It just means clean, like spring clean, you know, and just ready for the new season, which will be Easter. But I'm not doing a coffee bar for Easter. I'm just not into it. I thought about it and I'm just like, maybe, I don't know, but I'm not going to make a whole spectacle of it. It's going to be just in a video with my decorate with me for Easter. I'm not going to do a whole dedicated video to a coffee bar. It just isn't for me for Easter. I don't know why, I don't care for it, if that makes sense. So yes, we are all clean and wiped off. And here it is, and here she is, all clean and back to normal. I turned off the lights so you can get a really cute view of my kitchen with the lights off. I feel like it just gives it this ambience. So yeah, I just love it. I might move this kettle because I feel like it's just a little bit of cluttered look. I don't know, but all clean and back to normal. So dolls, here we have it. My apartment is back to normal, looking very springy. It feels so spring-like in here, and I just love how clean it looks. Like, as you can see, I added some detail on the side. I love that little detail. I feel like it just makes it a little bit more glam. I might move it soon. I'm always moving things around. Everything stayed pretty much the same except the Valentine's Day tree and all that is gone. So here is how everything looks like. I love it. We are back to normal, and I love feeling clean again. So here's my apartment, quick video, and I hope you enjoyed it, dolls. Thank you so much for watching, and give this video a big fat thumbs up as a sign that you enjoyed this video. Also, don't forget to do our #1 sign in the comment section, which is love heart, bow, love heart. So put a love heart and a bow and a love heart. So pretend it's a love heart, bow, love heart in the comment section down below. And that just shows me that you're listening and watching the show. Thank you so much for watching, dolls, and I'll see you in my next video. So, dolls, we are back to normal. If you enjoyed this video, dolls, give this video a big fat thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, subscribe down below. If you want to see more organizing and cleaning videos, let me know in the comment section down below what you want to see next. And I'll see you, dolls, in my next video. Bye, dolls. Smooches. Bye.